Welcome to this guided meditation, where we will explore the senses of Canada. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position, and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to fully relax into the present moment. As we begin, let's start with the sense of sight. Imagine you are standing on the top of a mountain, overlooking a vast landscape of rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and lush forests. The sun is setting behind the mountains, casting a warm glow across the landscape. You can see for miles and miles, taking in the beauty of Canada's natural scenery. Now, let's move on to the sense of smell. As you stand on the mountain, you are surrounded by the fresh, clean air of Canada. You can smell the pine trees, the wildflowers, and the earthy scent of the forest floor. The crisp, clean air fills your lungs, invigorating and refreshing you. As you take in the sights and smells of Canada, let's now focus on the sense of taste. Imagine biting into a fresh, juicy apple, picked straight from a tree in a local orchard. Or perhaps you are sipping on a glass of sweet ice wine picked from frosty, late harvest grapes. The flavors of Canada are diverse and delicious, and you can truly taste the abundance and quality of the country's produce. Now, let's move on to the sense of touch. Imagine walking through a field of tall grass, the blades gently brushing against your legs as you move. The sense of touch in Canada is full of textures and sensations. From the softness of a warm blanket on a cold winter day to the rough bark of a tree. Finally, let's focus on the sense of sound. As you stand on the mountain, you can hear the birds singing, the rustling of the leaves in the wind, and the distant sound of a rushing river. The sounds of Canada are soothing and peaceful, inviting you to relax and let go of any stress or tension. Take a few more deep breaths, fully immersing yourself in the senses of Canada. Allow yourself to feel a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation for this beautiful country and all it has to offer. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, and take a moment to reflect on the experience. Allow the peacefulness and appreciation you felt during the meditation to carry with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the senses of Canada.